Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step. So just follow me, and if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And without any further delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Facebook, and on your top you'll be having three lines option like this. Just go over there, and then from here just go to settings. So once you are in settings, you'll be seeing this option which says see more in account center. Just go with it, and over here just scroll a bit and you will find this password and security option. Just go with it, and over here we'll be having options saying two-factor authentication. Just go over there and then choose your account, and firstly just enter your password and then continue, and then you will be able to have two-factor authentication enabled. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.